Good morning, everybody. How's it going? Decided to go ahead and make a video because it's really busy in the neighborhood right now. Like, super busy. I should be expecting this NISD school bus at any moment in time. I didn't realize it was so busy when it was time for the NISD school bus. So, but I'm sure, they have every right to be here. This isn't making me feel surrounded. This isn't making me feel like I'm not a public figure and celebrity and somebody else is spending that money and not me. This is not supposed to make me feel like that. That's not the point of this. That's not why they built that public charter tuition free school down the street on my running route. Those are completely separate. Okay, y'all, in case you're wondering. I hope I don't see that female runner that didn't have a sports bra on running this NISD school bus route. She even took the turn over here. So I hope we're not subjected to that again. So, if you're a criminal, I just want you to be alerted that I think they're using that solace in a female tactic, which again is completely separate than me being in this neighborhood. But I'm just, in a completely separate conversation, I just want y'all to know that I think the memo is out that stuff happens and it's time to surround with a female. Okay, it's time. It's team female right now, whoever's team that is. It's which I can't wait to talk about. I've seen that strategy so many times I can't even believe you. And one of the ways I've seen that strategy is with Clown Coward. Allegedly, in my opinion, situation preparedness discussions I have with y'all. I said, you're both gonna be on the same team, but one of y'all gets to be mean to me, and one of y'all gets to be nice to me. Nice. And then I'm just supposed to look at y'all. And then what? Wait for this NISD school bus? Guess where that Honda Civic is parked today? Not in the right spot. Anyway. And not one mention, not one note, not one follow, not one Instagram or Twitter message saying, hey, I live over in this area, Neighborhood Watch, and I don't know if you go to the Neighborhood Watch website, but I'm just going to send you a direct message. I go running. Nothing. Not going to send any sort of physical, let alone in the moment message to where I feel comfortable and safe and I don't think you're harassing me. Because if you're wondering, it's still happening every day. So you ain't got nowhere to be. Are you a volunteer? Did somebody pay you to do that? Are all the questions I have going on in my head. Anyway, it's Wednesday. I'm going over Kimmy's today and tomorrow. because she asked me to. Lord forbid I turn around. I can't wait to get into this, legally speaking. So I can't say I'm a public figure, but I can see that white Honda CRV and whoever's taking out their trash when I turn around like that. What timing? So, and it's September 2024. I really don't think you should use the tactic of, oh, I'm just another random person hiding in anonymity. I really think that strategy and tactic is done, played out, could not get any more use from it. So, but if you're not worried about repercussions, you're not worried about repercussions, obviously. So anyway, I'm gonna be out of this neighborhood. Apparently the people, the house right outside my bedroom window, they got work or something this morning. So it's already like just adding more details, facts of what's going on, what has been happening. So anyway, gonna get out of this neighborhood today and tomorrow. So absolutely gross. I cannot wait to talk about this in a back and forth conversation. How productive would that conversation be? Like I said, I have everything to look forward to. So your goal is for non-productivity. Good luck with that. It'll only get you so far. Okay. Anyway, y'all like my new shirt? I bleached it. I've been I went to Target and I don't know, I've just been in a Kanye West fashion mode. So I want to wear beige. I want to wear these shirts that are bleached. I want to wear olive green khaki t-shirt, oversized. So when I get hold of my money, I'm going to be buying all of his collection, huh? Anyway, y'all have a good one. I'll talk to you later. Hopefully I'll go to the zoo at some point in time today or tomorrow. Again, completely separate. This is completely separate. All of this here, especially the nasty school bus, doesn't have anything to do with the fact that I'm not a public figure and celebrity, let alone a sexually oriented business. Okay? So, by the way, I've been doing a lot of reading. I feel good about it. So anyway, I'll talk to you later. Y'all have a good one. Happy Wednesday. I would, vote Trump. I say after all of that. And yeah, I wish I could be more active and proactive and involved, obviously. But obviously that's completely separate. It didn't have anything to do with this, especially the nasty school bus. Okay? Those are completely separate. Y'all have a good one.